We're here in Tacloban 7 months after Typhoon Haiyan hit. At the time, a lot of Irish people donated a huge amount of money, like there was so much generosity, and it's just to see what that money has gone to do. We had to help improve people's lives, and yeah, the efforts, and we have seen a lot. It's amazing. Everywhere you go, there's the sounds of building, people reconstructing things, and it's just so amazing to see how strong the human spirit is, despite like them having nothing, despite everything, you know, being wiped away, like literally wiped away, and going back to basics. You still have so much hope. I was just visiting the UNICEF mother and baby tent. It's a place where mothers and very young children, like some of these women would have been pregnant when the typhoon happened and they had to struggle through that. It's, yeah, for those women to come together and like emotionally recover, as well as they help with their health, like breastfeeding, and their kids' health, like how to avoid disease and everything. And that's what UNICEF are doing. Like in all the schools, they're providing school bags and repairing their classrooms which were damaged. Look, it's obvious that the donations from Ireland have been so useful here, and they've been effective on every level. Like, you know, there's the short term, like right after the typhoon, when people just needed shelter, like their homes were destroyed, all their possessions were gone, they had nothing, they just needed shelter, and then they needed food, and they needed medical attention. And you see how there are people who are still, you know, 7 months on. Some people are doing better, some people are back to work and back to school, and then other people are still people in these kind of conditions. It's a day-to-day survival. Children definitely need more help in emergency situations, because people don't think about them so often. They put everything back together, and they're worried about the structure, and they forget how, you know, emotionally traumatized kids can be. Like some parents were talking about how it will rain here and kids freak out because they think it's another typhoon. UNICEF cares for every part of what they need, like their health needs and their education needs and their nutrition needs, but also they're aware that they need emotional support. UNICEF has created a system that nourishes that part of the spirit, and I think that is more important than we ever realized.